Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix audio issues on Whatnot. So if your microphone is not working, the sound is low, or your stream audio has problems, just follow along. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. Next, you need to open your phone settings and make sure your Whatnot has permission to access your microphone. For that, you need to go to settings, then tap on apps, and then search for Whatnot. Then tap on microphone and turn it on. After that, close the Whatnot app completely and reopen it. You should also check your microphone by testing it in another app to make sure the device audio is working. And if the issue still continues, restart your phone and try again. So that was how to fix Whatnot audio issues. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.